How to send Solana from Phantom wallet to Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to do that. Now open up your Binance app to copy the Solana wallet address. After you open the Binance, go to assets. From the assets, go to deposit. From the deposit, now tap on this search and search for Sol, S-O-L. So after you search for Sol, now here is Solana. Select it like this. So now select the network. So for this one, I'll go with Solana network. After you select the network like this, now tap on this OK button. Now here is the address. So now copy the address. Tap on this option to copy the address. After you copy the address, now go back and open up now your Phantom wallet. After I open the Solana like this now, all you have to do, tap on this send button. From this send, go and select the Solana. After you select Solana, now go and paste in the address in this option. So now paste in the address that you copy. Now here is the address. From this option, all you have to do, tap on this next button at the top. After you tap on this next button, now specify the amount you want to send. Let's say I want to send 0.5 Solana or 0.8.5 Solana. So after you type in the amount you want to send, you can just tap on this next button. From there, your Solana will be sent into your Binance account. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.